Hello, this is Wiley with Learn to Barbecue. This video is all about temperatures and how it can have a bigger effect on your barbecue than any rub sauce or barbecue gizmo you can buy or even make. Temperature is a fundamental aspect of our world, influencing everything from the taste of food to the safety of our meals. In this video, we'll explore the Maillard reaction, caramelization, food safety temperatures, and the impact of elevation on boiling points. The Maillard reaction is a chemical reaction that occurs between amino acids and reducing sugars when heated. The Maillard reaction typically occurs between 284 degrees and 330 degrees Fahrenheit. This reaction is responsible for the browning and flavor development of many foods, such as seared steaks, roasted vegetables, and baked goods. The Maillard reaction produces hundreds of different flavor compounds, contributing to the complex and enticing aromas and flavors of cooked foods. Caramelization typically occurs between 320 degrees and 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Caramelization is another important chemical reaction that occurs when sugars are heated. In this case, the sugars break down into smaller molecules, such as caramel and other flavor compounds. Caramelization is responsible for the rich golden brown color and sweet flavor of caramelized onions, candy, and crème brûlée. In addition to affecting taste, temperature also plays a crucial role in food safety. Bacteria can grow rapidly between 40 degrees and 140 degrees Fahrenheit, a range known as the danger zone. To prevent foodborne illness, it's important to keep hot foods hot, above 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and cold foods cold, below 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Here are some safe minimum internal cooking temperatures for common foods. For beef, pork, lamb, and veal, the minimum temperature is 145 degrees Fahrenheit. For ground beef, ground pork, ground lamb, and ground veal, the minimum temperature is 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Chicken and turkey, the minimum temperature is 165 degrees Fahrenheit. And for seafood, the minimum temperature is 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, when cooking a large piece of meat like a brisket, the elevation where you are cooking can have a major effect on your cook. The same brisket on the same smoker can give you totally different results. Here is a chart showing the impact of elevation on boiling points. As you may know, the boiling point of water decreases as elevation increases. This is because the atmospheric pressure decreases with altitude. At sea level, the boiling point of water is 212 degrees Fahrenheit. However, at an elevation of 5,000 feet, the boiling point of water is only 203 degrees Fahrenheit. Why is this important? When cooking food and the water in the food starts to boil, it will cause major evaporation. That evaporation will cool the food, causing it to stall and take longer to cook. Also, if it stays in the stall too long, it can dry out the food and make it tough. One technique is when the food goes into a stall is to foil it and try and keep the moisture next to the food. Also, you might lower the cooking temperature below the boiling temperature, stopping the evaporation and eliminating the stall. Hard to believe and seems counterproductive, but lowering the cooking temperature can speed up the cook. Temperature is a critical factor in both the taste and safety of food. By understanding the Maillard reaction, caramelization, food safety temperatures, and the impact of elevation on boiling points, you can cook delicious and safe meals. Till next time.